Say I. I am gorgeous.
Get you, man.
I bought this for my daughter. And I thought, why not make a video about it? Because I'm actually really excited about this. It's called the EVO globber. And it's a scooter slash... Hold on, let me show you. So it goes from a pushchair to a walking bike to a scooter. And she could basically use this for about 6 years. And I'm about to open this up so we can see what's in there. Right, baby? Don't stand on the box. She was super excited about this box. Basically using it for everything but its purpose. Hold on, let me see. Okay, I hear you, baby. That's Amari's 2 cents on what she had to say about the box for this little intro. Watch out. Oh, let's see. I got the blue color because obviously blue's my favorite color, and I don't know, I've never really been the type of person to say, oh, pink is for girls and whatnot. And obviously one day maybe we have a boy or something, they can use this too. So this is the seating part. Everything is in plastic besides the bottom part. Hold on, baby. And you got this. The actual foot part. Wow. Yeah, wow. You excited? The handles. And I guess a little tool set so we can put it together. Not sure what this is. We'll see. Okay. Let me put the camera on the stand so we can actually yeah, so you guys can actually see me put this together. Right, Samari? Say right. Yeah. So this. Yeah, thank you. You want to put this here? It over. So yeah, she's just doing it herself now. Babies. This is really the perfect time to come to the park because there's literally nobody and we got the whole park to ourselves. This is not really a park. This is more like a little field where people come and practice at, and it's right by our house. So yeah. since everyone is in quarantine and stuff, and it's really important to stay away from other people. We usually come around this time of the evening when there's not that many people. Smart, you trying to catch the bubbles? Yay.